Fear does not only influence individuals, it shapes entire societies. Throughout history, fear has been one of the most powerful forces in politics, culture, religion, media, and social movements. Why? Because fearful people pay attention. Fear captures attention more effectively than almost any other emotion. News organizations understand this. Politicians understand this. Advertisers understand this. Activists understand this. Fear is persuasive because it feels urgent. When people perceive a threat, they become more focused, more emotional, and often more willing to accept solutions they might otherwise question. This is not necessarily manipulation. Sometimes threats are real. Sometimes warning is necessary. The challenge is that fear can distort judgment. When fear dominates thinking, people often underestimate danger. Psychologists call this availability bias. The more easily an example comes to mind, the more common we assume it is. If people constantly hear about violent crime, they may believe crime is increasing even when statistics show otherwise. If people constantly hear about economic collapse, they may perceive greater risk than actually exists. Fear changes perception. Reality becomes filtered through threat detection. This helps explain why fear spreads so quickly. Fear is contagious. When we see others afraid, our own brains become more alert. Groups can become trapped in cycles of collective anxiety. Entire communities can begin interpreting events through a lens of fear. And once fear becomes widespread, it often becomes self-reinforcing. The more afraid people become, the more attention they give to threatening information. The more threatening information they consume, the more afraid they become. The cycle feeds itself. This is one reason fear has become such a powerful force in the digital age. Modern technology allows fear to travel faster than ever before, and our brains are not fully adapted to handle the constant flow of alarming information.